subject social and topic name is history first lesson sources of the medieval India. Okay, so we have already seen there will be two kinds of sources. First one is primary sources and secondary sources. Okay, in primary sources only we are going to see the elaborate. First we have seen inscription. Okay, in previous class. Today we are going to see about monument. Monuments in Tamil we can say it as a நினைவு சின்னங்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so what is meant by monuments? Okay, temples, palaces, mosques, tombs. Tombs mean in Tamil kallare. Okay, and forts and minarets and minarets. Okay, minarets and minarets mean தூண்கள்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is called. Okay, forts you already know that கோட்டைகள். Okay, so the collective name of these called as a monuments we can say. Okay, so the collectively we can call these things as a monuments. Okay, next the Sultan of Delhi introduced new type of architecture. Okay, so the first person who is introducing new type in architecture means the Sultan of Delhi. Okay, next the monuments built with the arch, domes and minarets. Okay, these are the main features in when they build monuments. Okay, arch means வளைவுகள் சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, domes means and குவீரம் means the மேற்பரப்புன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, on the top of the monuments. Okay, that is called as a domes. Okay, these things only main features in the when they build monuments. Okay, next inscription of monuments contains rich information of history. Okay, so what are all the information the monuments contains? No, that is only having more information about the history, about the particular period of the history. Okay, next one is the Khajuraho monuments which is located in Madhya Pradesh, and temples of Konark which is located in Odisha, and Dilwara which is located at Mount Abu Rajasthan. Okay, these contains valuable resources to understand religious center in the northern India. Okay, these are the examples of various religious centers monuments in the northern India they are telling. Okay, next one is temples in Tanjavur Pragadishwara temple. Okay, and Kangai Cholapuram and Darasram. Okay, these are the symbolizes the structures of later Cholas. Okay, these temples contain more varied structure that is also symbolizes about the later Chola, which is built by later Chola period in Tamil Nadu. Okay, next one is Vittala and Virupaksha temples at Hampi speak the contribution of the Vijayanagar rulers in the 15th century. Okay, but these temples telling more about the contribution, what are all the contribution done by the Vijayanagar rulers. Okay, who and all ruled Vijayanagar rulers? No, that rulers having more information about the Vijayanagar rulers in the 15th century. Next we are going to see about mosque. Okay, so mosque means masudigal சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so Quatul Islam Masjid and Modki Masjid and Fechpur Sikri Dargah which is located around the Delhi, and Charminar which is located at the Hyderabad. Okay, so these are the important mosque in the medieval time. Okay, these are the very important in the medieval time. Okay, these are the examples of mosque which is very important in the period of medieval period they are telling. Next one is forts, Agra and Chittor Fort and Gwalior Fort, Delhi Red Fort, and forts of Daulatabad which is located in Aurangabad. Okay, and Firoz Shah Kotla which is located in Delhi. These are the important forts of the history. Okay, these are the very examples. Okay, very important forts of the history period. Okay, next one is palaces. Okay, palaces in Jaipur and Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. Okay, these things signifies about the greatness of the Rajput dynasty. Okay, this sources all signifies. Okay, giving more information about the greatness of the Rajput dynasty. Okay, next one is Gudupinar and Alai Darwaza and tombs of Iltutmish and Balban and other Mughal emperors, other Mughal rulers also recognized more information and also valuable sources of information about monuments. Okay, next one is cities ruins mean destruction by Firozabad and Tughlaqabad in North India. Okay, these peoples ruins most cities and also reconstructed many buildings in a new way. Okay, Next, Hampi in South India. Okay, this is also one kind of cities. Okay, Hampi in South India. These contains rich repositor. Okay, repositor means more valuable evidences. Okay, like Kalanjim in Tamil we can take. Okay, so rich repositories of history in medieval India. Okay, so these are the very much rich information. Okay, rich evidences about the history of medieval India. Okay, contains the history of medieval India they are telling. Okay, student, thank you.